Hi everyone, my name is Ivy, and I would like to say thank you to all of you who have tuned into my channel today. Thank you to my subscribers, to everyone who has kept this channel going. Thank you to all of you who have commented, those of you who have liked my videos, those who have given your constructive feedbacks on my videos. You guys keep this channel going and rolling, and I want to say thank you to all of you. I know this time is a very challenging time for all of us now in the world with the current COVID pandemic. But I want to encourage us that I know that God is aware of everything that is happening and everything happens for a purpose. So let's stay strong. Let's keep safe. Let's keep obeying the laws, the rules that our leaders and those health officials have put in place to make sure that we keep secure and stay safe. And let's keep being strong and positive. A positive mindset is all you need to triumph. So keep staying safe. Um, I always like to talk about topics that you, the subscribers, have asked me about, so that I'm sure that I'm putting out content that is needed. And one of the questions that, or a lot of people have asked me is about whether or not I render immigration application service. So, for those of you who need someone to process your immigration application, I personally don't perform that service, but I know of an immigration lawyer here in Canada that provides that service to clients. This immigration lawyer processes immigration application for express entry applicants, for visitor visas, for student visas, for work permits, for grandparents and parent visas. And so, if you fall into this category where you don't have the time to process your immigration application yourself or your visiting visa application yourself, you can simply put a comment in the comment window to say, I'm interested in having an immigration lawyer process my application. Please, I urge you not to put any personal information in the comments box. You can just put in this note I have said, I'm interested in having my application processed by a professional immigrant lawyer. And once you do that, I would reach out to you and we pick it up from there. So thank you again for tuning into my channel. Today's topic is one that people have been reaching out to me to ask me how to go about it. And that topic borders on how do I convert my ACCA certificate to CPA Canada. The full meaning of ACCA is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It's a professional and internationally recognized accountancy body that is based in the UK, but it's a certificate that is recognized all over the world. And so, for those of you that are accountants and have the ACCA certificate, you are chartered and you intend to immigrate to Canada, and you're wondering how to go about obtaining CPA Canada, which is the professional body for accountants here in Canada. There's a way you can convert your ACCA designation to CPA Canada, and that's the information I'm going to share with you in today's video. Now, ACCA has an MRA, it's an agreement with CPA Canada, and that agreement states that an ACCA member who is a member in good standing and completed the ACCA exam through the exam route can apply to CPA Ontario or CPA in any province in Canada, having met certain requirements, which I'm going to be listing out in this video. And so, first of all, we're going to talk about the eligibility criteria for those for ACCA members who want to convert their designation to CPA. One of the eligibility criteria, as I mentioned earlier, is you have to be an ACCA member. As an ACCA student or as an ACCA affiliate, you cannot apply to become a CPA Canada member under this MRA. It's strictly meant for ACCA members because as an ACCA member, you must have already completed the 3 years compulsory practical experience. And so you don't need to go through that process anymore with CPA Canada. And so um, once you're an ACCA member, you have to be in good standing with ACCA to be able to apply to CPA Canada. And what that means is You shouldn't have an outstanding fee with ACCA, and there shouldn't be any ethical issues that or complaints that has been filed against you, that is with ACCA board. You should have a clean slate with ACCA in order for you to apply to CPA Canada. Another thing is you would have to pay the prescribed fees um, uh, to CPA Canada. So CPA has a separate fee. You would pay your ACCA regular annual membership fee, and you also pay the CPA fee. And then lastly, you will have you should not be an undischarged bankrupt to be able to apply to CPA Canada. You should also have a degree from a recognized university. When you, as an ACCA member, if you've obtained your certificate through another an agreement, if you became an ACCA member through an MRA that ACCA has with another professional accountancy body, you cannot apply to CPA Canada. You have to have completed ACCA and become a member through the exam route in ACCA. These are the eligibility requirements. If you meet these requirements, thumbs up, you can proceed to begin your application with CPA Canada. Now I'm going to list the required documents that you need to process your application with CPA Canada. Depending, CPA Canada is the umbrella body of the different CPA organization in different provinces in Canada. So depending on where you want to reside, like for example, I'm a member of CPA Ontario because I reside in Ontario. And so depending on where you want to reside, you would be processing your application through the CPA body of that in that province. These are the required documents that you need as an ACCA member. The first document you'll be needing is a government issued ID card from your country, or you can also make use of your the digital page, the biodata page of your passport as an ID card. You have to have a proof of identity and to also prove your legal name. Please take note that if you've changed your name for any reason, probably because of marriage or for any other reason that you have a change of name, you would have to also provide a legal document that states that your name was changed. If you change your name as a result of marriage, then you'd have to provide your marriage certificate that would have your maiden name and also have your married name. Now, another of the requirements you will need is a letter of good standing from ACCA. This letter has to be sent directly to CPA in whichever province you intend to immigrate to. And that letter should also contain a transcript that has all of your results and the dates that you took those exams. It's your responsibility to reach out to ACCA to have them forward that information directly to CPA Canada. ACCA can be reached through the membership email address that I'm sure you might have. And so you can send ACCA an email to request that the letter of good standing be sent directly to CPA Canada. Another of the requirements you need is you have to have your university degree evaluated by WES. WES is World Education Services. It's a body that evaluates credentials to equate your credential to what your credential is here in Canada. And so WES has a special package for this purpose called ICAP. The full meaning of ICAP is International Credential Advantage Package, ICAP. Once you apply to WES through the ICAP package, they have an online system called the Access WES Online. You would have to add CPA to that portal in order for them to view the original evaluation reports from WES. If you already have an account with WES, probably you're already in the process of processing your application for permanent residence and you already have a profile with WES, all you need to do is go into your WES profile and upgrade your report to ICAP, upgrade your report to ICAP, and then you'll be able to add CPA to your prof to that package so that they are able to view your report from WES. All of this information that I've mentioned in this video is on the CPA website, which I'm going to place at the bottom of this link. When you go on there, you would see all of this information that I've listed on there. And once you're ready to begin your application, there's also a link on this page to where you can click to begin your online application. So the application is done online. Now, another thing that you're going to need in this process is you're going to need a chronological resume that details your work experience and all the education that you've had. Another requirement is you're going to need two referees. These referees have to be CPA Canada members or CPA Bermuda members, and they should have known you for at least 1 year. The reference form you can download from CPA website and provide to your referees to fill out these informations for you. Now, as an ACCA member, you must have done tax law, but the tax that we studied in ACCA is UK tax. And so one of the major difference between ACCA and CPA studies is the tax, because in CPA you're going to be studying Canadian tax law, but in ACCA we study UK tax law. And so you are required as an ACCA member that wants to go through this MRA route to undertake Canadian tax and law course. This course is done entirely online. Once you complete this course, you're going to get a certificate, and that certificate is one of the required documents you need to submit when you're submitting your application to convert your ACCA to CPA. And of course, you need the applicable fees. All of the fees are listed on CPA Canada website, which you can access in the link that you would see in the comment section of this video. All that is left for you is now take that step if you're interested to apply for to apply to convert your ACCA credential to CPA. Now, one major thing I need to mention is time is of essence here, because the current MRA agreement between ACCA and CPA Canada is coming to an end officially on April 30th, 2021. But ACCA and CPA Canada are in the process of renewing that agreement, but we don't know when that renewal is going to come. So time is of the essence. It's If you are interested in converting your ACCA certificate to CPA, you might want to start now. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you again for staying tuned to my channel. Please feel free to share this video on all of your social media handles. Don't forget to like, hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Comment, give your feedbacks, ask questions, and don't forget, for those of you who don't have time to process your immigration application, leave a comment in the section below saying, please, I need a professional immigrant lawyer, and I'll be sure to reach out to you. I will take it up from there. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye.